Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation Series Math for Prep KG, suitable for 5 to 6 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 61. Look at this, children. You are going to write the numbers and the concepts before numbers. What comes before 8? 7. Children, you have to write number 7 here in this box. What comes before 19? Children, 18. Children, you have to write number 19 here in this box. What comes before 25? Children, 24. Children, you have to write number 24 here in this box. What comes before 37? Children, 36. Children, you have to write number 36 here in this box. What comes before 44? Children, 43. Children, you have to write number 43 here in this box. What comes before 65? Children, 64. You have to write number 64 here in this box. What comes before 51? Children, 50. Children, you have to write number 50 here in this box. What comes before 53? Children, 52. Children, you have to write number 52 here in this box. What comes before 83? Children, 82. Children, you have to write number 82 here in this box. What comes before 91? Children, 90. You have to write number 91 here in this box. What comes before 75? Children, 74. Children, you have to write number 74 here in this box. What comes before 100? Children, 99. Children, you have to write number 99 here in this box. And this is the concept of writing the numbers in between. This is 27 and 29. Children, what comes between 27 and 29? 28. You have to write number 28 here in this box. What comes before between 56 and 58? Children, number 57. Children, you have to write number 57 here in this box. What comes between 90 and 92? Children, 91. You have to write number 91 here in this box. What comes between 66 and 68? Children, 67. Children, you have to write number 67 here in this box. What comes between 71 and 73? Children, 72. Children, you have to write number 72 here in this box. What comes before 84 and 86? Children, 85. You have to write number 85 here in this box. Look at this, children. This is the concept of writing the numbers after. This is number 10. Children, what comes after number 10? 11. Children, you have to write number 11 here in this box. This is 22. Children, what comes after 22? Children, 23. You have to write number 23 here in this box. What comes after 39? Children, 40. Children, you have to write number 40 here in this box. This is 47. Children, what comes after 47? Children, 48. Children, you have to write number 48 here in this box. What comes after 52? Children, 53. Children, you have to write number 53 here in this box. What comes after 68? Children, 69. Children, you have to write number 69 here in this box. What comes after 55? Children, 56. Children, you have to write number 56 here in this box. What comes after 88? Children, 89. Children, you have to write number 89 here in this box. What comes after 92? Children, 93. Children, you have to write number 93 here in this box. What comes after 63? Children, 64. Children, you have to write number 64 here in this box. What comes after 77? Children, 78. Children, you have to write number 78 here in this box. What comes after 94? Children, 95. You have to write number 95 here in this box. This was our page number 61. On this page, children, you have to write the numbers concept between before, between and after.